A lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. An elephant. That's an elephant. Elephants have big ears and a long trunk. A giraffe. That's a giraffe. Giraffes eat leaves from tall trees. A tiger. That's a tiger. Tigers are strong and fast. A monkey. Look at the monkey, it's jumping from tree to tree. A rhino. Rhinos are very strong and have thick skin. A zebra. That animal has black and white strips. It's a zebra. A snake. The snake is gentle and calm with a long curvy body. A kangaroo. Kangaroos have strong legs and a pouch for their babies. A gorilla. Gorillas are very smart and live in groups. A cheetah. Cheetahs can run very fast to catch their prey. A leopard. Leopards are great climbers and hunters. A panda. Pandas love to eat bamboo all day. A bear. Bears are strong and love to fish in rivers. A wolf. Look at that wild dog. It's a wolf. A fox. That small clever animal is a fox. An owl. Owls have big eyes and can see in the dark. An eagle. Eagles fly high and have great vision. A deer. Deer are gentle and love to run in the forest. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for next part of this video. Bye bye.